a manufacturing job was wrongly estimated to be completed in 10 days by X machines, right? So very clearly there were X machines and it was estimated, right? And remember, wrongly estimated that it can be completed in 10 days by X machines, which means actually it cannot be completed in 10 days, right? By deploying 3 extra machines, the job was completed in 12 days. So when they use 3 extra machines, they could complete this job in 12 days. So instead of X, they have used X plus 3 and they could complete the job in 12 days. If only one additional machine was used, remember, they have actually used how many additional machines? 3 extra machines. But the question now says if only one additional machine was used instead of 3, then how many more days or how many days more than that estimated time would it have taken to complete the job? You getting it? If only one machine was used extra, how many more days would it take to complete this job? Now understand, what is total work? Total work, like we have discussed in the video, is number of persons into number of days. In this case, person is nothing but a machine. So number of machines doing the work into the number of days for which they work. Now you cannot say total work is 10 into X. This would be wrong because it was a wrong estimation. Remember, that actually the work cannot be completed in 10 days by X machines, right? So you cannot say work is equal to 10 into X. Don't do that. The actual work is how much? X plus 3 into 12, because by taking 3 extra machines, so X plus 3 machines, they could finish it in 12 days. So we can say the total work is 12x plus 36. This is the total work, 12x plus 36. Now if only one additional machine was used, how many days more than the estimated time would it have taken to complete the job? Now what happens if only one additional machine is used? The other case, I mean this is one case. In the actual case, 12 machines could finish, X plus 3 machines could finish in 12 days. But what happens if only one additional machine is used? We can say the work, total work W will be X plus 1. We don't know how many days would it take. Let us assume it is D days. The total work will be X plus 1 into D. Only one additional machine being used, so X plus 1 multiplied by D. Yes or no? X plus 1 being multiplied by D. Now the point is, 12x plus 36 represents the total work. X plus 1 into D also represents the total work. So from these two, we can conclude that 12x plus 36 is equal to X plus 1 into D. Or we can say the number of days required when only one machine is being used will be 12x plus 36 divided by X plus 1. Remember, this is number of days. What we have calculated here is number of days, right? Total number of days. All right. But what is asked in the question? How many days more than the estimated time would it have taken to complete the job? The total number of days that it takes when only one machine is used, when extra machine is used, would be 12x plus 36 by X plus 1. But it's not asking us to find out the total number of days. It's asking us to find out the number of days more than the estimated time. What is the estimated time? 10 days. So the additional days, right? Additional days can be taken as D minus 10 because estimated time was 10 days. So from total days, if you subtract 10, you get the answer. So 12x plus 36 upon X plus 1 minus 10. So what happens? 12x minus 10x, 2x, 36 minus 10, 26 divided by X plus 1. So 2x plus 26 divided by X plus 1. 2x plus 26 divided by X plus 1. Option 3 would be the answer.